Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use voice typing in Google Doc on your Windows PC. First, open docs.google.com in Chrome and open the document where you want to dictate. Chrome works best for voice typing. Next, click Tools in the top menu and choose Voice Typing. A microphone box will appear at the left side of your document. Then make sure your microphone is allowed. If prompted, grant microphone access to the browser. Also, check your PC's microphone settings if it doesn't pick up sound. After that, pick your language from the drop-down in the mic box. Click the microphone icon and start speaking clearly. Use a simple voice command like new line, new paragraph, comma, period. Add punctuation and formatting. If you need to pause, click the microphone again to stop, then click it to resume. Finally, review the text and make any edits by typing or using your keyboard. And that's it guys, voice typing makes drafting faster and hands-free on Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.